there as well. Pictures are being taken, and Harry winner.
Yes,
Congratulations.
thank you. It was something that I wanted to do anyway, winning by myself. Obviously, winning with Vinny was special, but I always thought after that I'd like to win it. I thought I sort of got age on my side. With being over 40, you've sort of got age on your side, but obviously the current tends to favour the older walkers. But no, I was going really well, really strongly until just after Andries, and then.
Now you said to Simon Clark that was your least favourite stretch.
I know.
So from Andries to Lozère, and today it really proved to be bad.
It did, yeah. I don't know what went wrong. 1 minute I was fine. Next minute I just got so sick, and it just kind of sapped the energy out of me, and I just kind of nursed myself.